This is HollowHost. Deploy your AI agents straight from GitHub. Build your agent your way. Python or TypeScript, any framework? Just paste your GitHub repository. It's validated in seconds. Add your environment variables. Secrets are auto-detected and encrypted. Deploy in one click. Your agent ships to a secure, isolated runtime. Seconds later, it's live. Trigger a run on demand. Watch every run with full logs. Put it on a schedule. You only pay when it runs. Prefer the terminal? Do it all from the HollowHost CLI. HollowHost. Deploy agents, not infrastructure.